welcome everybody. So today I thought I'll share a very easy coffee cake with you. This recipe is very simple, guys. I have taken sugar, butter, flour, baking powder, coffee granules and 2 eggs. This is the only ingredients that you need, and you know that I always keep the ingredients in the description box for you to have a look at the complete recipe. So what I'm going to do is, now I'm going to take this butter and I'm going to cream it with the sugar. I'm going to add the eggs in. I cream the butter and the sugar with a electric mixer or any with the hand mix. You need to combine the butter and sugar together. I put the 2 eggs and I mixed it. Now I'm going to put the 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. I'm going to be adding some milk, and I will be adding the oil. I've added the coffee mixture, and I'm going to add the entire flour in this cake. Coffee batter is absolutely ready. I'm going to put it in my baking pan. My baking pan, it's a 8 by 8 inch baking pan. So I have taken half cup of butter and I've taken 2 tablespoons of whipped cream. I've taken 1 cup of icing sugar and I have taken 2 teaspoons coffee granule. I have put 1 tablespoon hot water in it to dissolve the coffee. I'm going to use vanilla essence. I'm going to be preparing the coffee buttercream for the cake. You can see that I have added the icing sugar, and I'm going to just combine it with the butter. Put it in the coffee. Mix it. Beated the coffee buttercream frosting very well. You can see that it is nicely coated in the butter and icing sugar. This is the consistency you want. I beated it for good 7 to 8 minutes till I got this consistency. I'm going to put it in the refrigerator for till the cake is done. Coffee cake is ready. After 20 minutes I have taken it out. Now I'm going to do the frosting on it. Coffee cake is absolutely ready. I'm going to put it in the fridge because, as you can see, it's very hot in Karachi and the frosting is melting. So if you put it in the refrigerator for 3 to 4 hours, it will be absolutely fine. So this is the final look of the delicious coffee cake. I'm sure it will taste very good.